Hey Excel enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to fix common VLOOKUP errors that may result in returning wrong data. Let's get started. The first step is to verify if the lookup value is actually found in the first column of your table. Here, I searched for student ID 1003, but it's not there in table, so it's giving NA. To fix it, you can add function IFNA in the beginning, then open bracket, then add a comma at last, then twice double quotes with a text in it and close bracket. Then, ensure column is sorted. VLOOKUP requires the first column of your table to be sorted in ascending order for approximate matches. If your data isn't sorted correctly, VLOOKUP may return wrong results. So sort the first column going into sort option. Check data type. Next, check for data type mismatches. If the lookup value and the values in the first column of your table are of different data types, for example text versus numbers, VLOOKUP may not work as expected. In this example, the first column is in general format, that is in number format. But the value to look up is in text format. That's the error here. To fix this, convert data types as needed by going to Home tab, then Numbers group, select Number format. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment your suggestions. Thank you.